see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Hi guys, today is October 22 and ida-drop ko si Kuya. Si Kuya lang may pasok kasi si Sak Tuesday, bukas pa siya. And then kaming tatlo, pupunta kami ng town kasi mag-grocery ako and then bibili ng, titingin kung mayroong costume for Halloween sa kanila. So, ayun. Say good morning guys. Baba, good morning. Hoy, Sak, say good morning.
Good morning.
Kuya. Morning. Yes.
Hey, Jack.
Dito na kami sa Kmart. Wala pang tao kasi ang aga-aga pa. 9:10 pa lang. And feeling ko yung kilay ko hindi pantay. Tapos parang may gap dito. Parang hindi ko na fill in. Ayan si Sak. Namimili. Oh, that's for the dog.
Huh?
That's for the dog. Come on. Akala niya ito yung mga costumes. That's costume for the pet.
And
Okay,
cat?
yes. Dog. Yeah.
Look. Mom, look. Mom, she's happy to look at that.
Which one? This one? Sorry.
Yeah, this.
Which one?
This.
For no, that's too big for Holly.
Yeah. Oh.
Do you want that?
Yeah. Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Let me see.
Look, that mask has a scratch. Scratch.
We have to look the age. What age? 4 to 6. Okay. You sure you want this one?
I want 4.
Yeah, 4 to 6 means 4, 5, and 6.
Now, where is the number?
There. No, that's $15. Yes.
What?
Are you sure you want that one? We have to look.
Huh?
We can still look. May napili na si Sa.
A different one for teacher.
For who?
Teacher.
You want different for Kuya Teacher. Okay, let's go to the other side.
Remember we got one of this?
Yeah, who gave you that? No, not me. Oy. Okay, let's go. How about Holly? Gusto ni Sak ito para kay Holly daw. Oh.
This one's for your teacher.
Ha?
This.
For Kuya Teacher na?
Huh?
I don't like it.
Why?
Because
It's so scary.
oh, look at this one.
For Holly. That's for 3 to 2.
2 to 3. Oh, 6 to 18 months. How about this one?
Teacher already does skeleton.
Yeah?
Teacher already does skeleton.
Kuya TJ.
Oh, that's for 2 to 3.
May nakahanap na siya kay Kuya TJ. Oh, you have to get all those stuff. May nahanap niya siya para kay Kuya TJ niya. Hindi makapili si Kuya kasi wala siya dito. Okay, let me see for Kuya. Ito yung kay Kuya, zombie. This is 4 to 6 as well. So, are you sure? Ah! Okay.
This is tough fit for him.
Huh?
A tough fit for him.
Yeah, it can. 6, Kuya TJ 7.
Yeah.
I hope they have 7. Oh, 4 to 6. Oh. Ay, sorry. Walang size si Kuya. We can look at the back sack. Maybe they have some there.
What's on the back? I'll stay on the back.
No, not there. There. Oh, si Holly. Nakalimutan namin si Holly. Nasa gitna siya, oh. Ay, Baba, stop picking your lips. Mahilig siya magkit-kit sa kung sa Bicol kit-kit.
This is a wolf.
Stop. Ha?
This is a wolf.
You like it? Ito yung si Sak. May nakita na naman siyang Spider-Man. The Spider-Man? Ano for Kuya? Si Sak ganyan siya. Pag may nakuha siya para sa kanya, isipin niya si Kuya TJ niya.
There's only tails.
Okay, let's go.
There's only tails.
Ito yung ibang mga costumes.
How much are these? A lot.
Bakit? Ikaw magbabayad? Ito si, si Wally.
This one's a bit different.
You already have Batman, Zach. Come on. I don't think so they have it here, Baba.
Right.
Maganda sana yung isang napili ni Zach dun sa unahan. Kaso walang size si Kuya. Sana magkasya yun. Okay, come on.
Look at this. This is a washing machine.
Yeah, okay, come on. Ito ang cute niya. Oh, unicorn. $7 lang. Oops, oops, oops. Can you get up for me, Zach? Please, thank you. Ayan, oh. Cape na unicorn. Ito na lang, Holly. Wala naman kasi masyado.
Wait till you take your maybe he didn't wear over.
Tingnan nyo si Zach. Hinahanapan si Holly ng shades. Let me see. Oops. Let me look, Papa. Wow, so pretty.
Get it for her. How much? You like these glasses?
How much?
Yeah. Which one? This one?
No, that one is alright. Ato, kuha na lang ako nitong ice cube tray kasi mura lang naman siya, $1.50, tas may takip na siya. Para pag gumagawa tayo ng milk tea. Ayan. Come on, Kuya, it's alright.
Okay, how have to get this?
No, she already have shades, Kuya.
Oh, she want new ones. Do you?
No, I don't think so.
No, you like it.
Okay, let's go. Ayan, oh, pinalitan ni Zach.
Try this one. This
What?
one's good.
What's that?
That's hard.
Heart. Ayan, siya namimili. Let me see. Wow, so pretty.
How much is it?
Okay, how much? Bakit ikaw magbabayad? $6. Oh, $5.
Ooh. Wish I bring my wallet to get her that.
Wow, so sweet. Sana raw dinala niya yung wallet para bilhin niya yan. Mommy can pay. Wow. Okay, yan na lang?
But can I only get that?
Yes.
Till I just found it there.
Yeah, okay.
I got that one.
Okay, let's go. Kunin natin ito. Wala kami napili dito para kay Kuyang costume for Halloween.
Look
So,
up.
magbabayad na kami.
Hi.
Come on. So, yan lang yung mga nakuha namin. Oh, wala pang tao sa cashier.
Really cool.
Come on.
Corn.
What's that? Okay, come on.
Corn. Like you had a pop.
Yes, okay, get carrots now.
Get it up.
Yeah.
I'm blowing this up.
It's alright, okay. Get one.
This one.
No, get 8.
What? That. That. That.
Okay.
That's more. Wait. That and that.
Okay.
What?
No, you cannot mix red. Only green in one bag and then red for one bag.
This way. What?
Puno-puno ang bunganga niya ng fruits.
Mama.
Ayan.
Yeah, but it's like the same. What? I know yo-yo.
Yeah, it's yo-yo.
I like it. I like
Give it.
the little that. We need big one like what?
No, it's alright, that one.
This or that?
Ha? Ito, pa nagluluto ako, gumagamit ako ng pineapple juice.
You're looking for me. No, I'm looking for my phone.
Bili tayo nito kasi bumibili ako ng maraming lollies kasi for Halloween. So half price siya. So $9.50 yung na-save natin. Kuha tayo ng dalawa. What you gonna say? Ba, Holly?
But you have to pay it.
Oh, yeah, I will pay. Holly. Smile. Hi, good, thank you.
Need some bags?
No, I do have bags here. Ayan, tapos na kayo mag-groceries. Ayan.
That's a lot of stuff.
I know. It's heavy though, Zach. Help, mommy. Ayan si Oli. Nag-change siya ng position sa pag-upo niya, oh. Ha?
What you taking that?
Okay, you press it. Where's my key? Here.
What balloon?
The first one.
This one?
Yeah. Okay.
And this one said long.
Okay. And tinatry niya yung shades niya. Wrong, Baba, wrong. Okay. Bili pa kami ng tinapay sa Baker's Delight. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Dito kami sa Target. Wala akong mahanap para kay Kuya. Ang mga nandito, mga Superman, Batman. Eh, meron na sila. Hoy, don't scare her. Tinakot niya si Holly. Come on, Baba, Holly. Ang cute dito. O, tingnan niyo.
You're steady.
Dito kami. Wala, oh. Puros lang siya, mga superheroes. Eto na lang. Kunin ko to para sa, ilalagyan ng lollies. Ha? Wala akong nahanap na costume ni Kuya sa Target. But anyway, nandito ako sa butcher kung saan ako kukuha ng mga karne. Like yung steaks ni Jan, tsaka schnitzel, tsaka mga sausages. Dito ako bumibili. So, yan. Ayan yung dalawa. Kuya, give it to her. Pagod na sila. So, hindi ko na kayo isama, guys, ha? Yeah, okay. Good girl.
Me who you see, 'cause I think